everyone, this is UPSC 2023 Agriculture Optional Paper 2 question. So the question is enumerate the functions of endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. So it is of 10 marks question and you have to attempt in the range of around 150 words. So this is the diagram of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. So in case of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are not present over it, while in rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present over it. And the main function of ribosomes is the protein synthesis. So what are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum? Number one, it forms the skeletal framework within the cytoplasm. It helps in intracellular transport of various metabolites, then segregation and translocation of proteins, involved in the formation of protein bodies, glyoxysomes and vacuoles, helps in maintaining cytoplasmic continuity as two cells are interconnected with the endoplasmic reticulum. Then rough endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes is the main site of protein synthesis. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in biosynthesis of fatty acids and phospholipids. Metabolism of steroids also occurs in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum also participates in carbohydrate metabolism and electron transport and related processes. So these are the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. Now next is Golgi bodies. So this is a diagram of Golgi bodies. These Golgi bodies arise from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So when rough endoplasmic reticulum becomes smooth, it transforms into the Golgi apparatus. Now the functions of Golgi bodies are to process the immature enzymes into functional forms and secrete them in a closed vesicle. Here the secretion is also called exocytosis. When something is removed out of the cell, then it is called exocytosis. Then it participates in the transfer of glycoproteins. Then cell plate formation by releasing the vesicle. When you will study about the cell cycle, then there is a formation of the cell plate. Then it gives rise to the primary lysosomes. Then regulation of the fluid balance. Then role in phospholipid synthesis and lipid absorption and protein synthesis. Example, proinsulin. Then it is involved in secretion. Example, slime secretion from the digestive glands of Drosera. It is also called sundew plant, and naphthalene it is called pitcher plant. So these are some of the functions of the Golgi apparatus. So in this way you can attempt your answer. Thank you and keep watching my videos. And to get the PDFs of these videos, please join my Telegram channel and please like, share and subscribe my channel.